Matt and Ross Duffer, the creators of the insanely popular supernatural series Stranger Things, could be heading to trial over an allegation that they stole the idea for their Netflix sensation. Charlie Kessler alleges that he pitched a distinctly similar project at the 2014 Tribeca Film Festival, and on Wednesday, a Los Angeles Superior Court denied summary judgment to the Duffer brothers in a lawsuit brought by Kessler. According to the plaintiff, Stranger Things is based on a feature film script titled The Montauk Project, set in the Long Island beach town which he says is home to various urban legends and paranormal and conspiracy theories. In January, in response to claims of breaching an implied contract, the Duffer brothers argued that they didn't manifest any intent to enter into a binding agreement with Kessler, that they independently created Stranger Things, and that the ideas Kessler says he disclosed were not novel. Says the Duffers' attorney, Charlie Kessler asserts that he met the Duffers, then two young filmmakers whom Kessler had never heard of, and chatted with them for 10 to 15 minutes. That casual conversation, during which the Duffers supposedly said that they all should work together and asked what Kessler was working on, is the sole basis for the alleged implied contract at issue in this lawsuit and for Kessler's meritless theory that the Duffers used his ideas to create Stranger Things. In denying summary judgment Wednesday, Los Angeles Superior Judge Michael Stern says there is no novel requirement under either New York or California law, citing precedent in a 1979 appellate decision upholding a trial court's conclusion that no implied in fact contract could be formed when the plaintiff had voluntarily submitted his idea for the purpose of establishing a future business relationship. Says Stern, tribal issues of fact remain to be determined concerning what plaintiff said, what he meant to convey by his conversation, and how the defendants responded before it can be definitively concluded whether or not an implied in fact contract was formed. Kessler alleges that Stranger Things derives from his concept for a sci-fi story set near an abandoned military base, while the Duffers have submitted declarations that that is simply not true, and that they've long been fascinated by urban legends and conspiracy theories, and even began working on a film on the topic in 2010. Stern explains that the problem with these declarations about independent creation is that they lack verifying evidence of the originality of their idea. As a result of Wednesday's decision, the Duffers are most likely on the way toward a trial currently scheduled to begin on May 6. This is not the first time the brothers have been accused of plagiarizing the ideas of others. Kessler's attorney says a former roommate of the Duffers has come forward to allege that they used his ideas to create the screenplay for Hidden, and that it goes to the issue of intent. The plaintiff also says that earnings from the show are relevant to prove the value of Kessler's idea and that he should essentially be deemed as their partner in the creation of the series. However, the co-showrunners wish to preclude evidence of alleged copying of other works, to preclude evidence of their net worth, to preclude evidence of insurance coverage, and to preclude evidence of the compensation and earnings received from Netflix. Catherine Chilton, a director of content litigation at Netflix, has submitted her own declaration warning the judge that disclosure of agreements with the Duffers could cause the company significant harm. The Duffer brothers have our full support, says a Netflix spokesperson. This case has no merit, which we look forward to being confirmed by a full hearing of the facts in court. Responds Michael Kernan, attorney for Kessler, if the lawsuit had no merit or if they actually had the proof they created it, then their summary judgment would have won. They lost. These motions are very hard to find, and winning this motion shows Mr. Kessler has a good case. We look forward to proving Mr. Kessler's case at trial. To read more on this ongoing story, head to THR.com. For the Hollywood Reporter News, I'm Lindsay Rodriguez.